I'm ready.
Alright, I don't know if I am.
And hopefully the mics are working.
Yeah, he is. It is so windy. If this mic isn't working, you ain't hearing me.
Last time you could barely hear me with me holding it.
Okay, this is going to be interesting.
Yeah.
This is going to be a no-flap takeoff. I ain't going to need them today. The prop don't even want to stop spinning. But hey.
And this is the 1.3 meter
Yeah.
Flite Cherokee with a 4-cell 3600 milliamp battery.
Wow, you slow it down pretty good today. That's with no flaps.
It was almost kiting there for a sec. Yeah, I had to put my hood up just to keep my hair out of my face.
Okay, I put down a little bit of flap. We'll stay up high and see if I can't get it to like park.
That's pretty darn close.
Yeah, sure is. Holy shit. Wow. Quarter throttle downhill going like crazy.
I know.
Okay. This beard's gonna have to go.
Like I said, I guess I should have grabbed 2 elastics, one for my hair and one for your beard.
Yeah. I've had one of these Cherokees for a long, long time.
That gust.
Yeah, it was one that it kind of let go of me, and then the next one picked me back up.
Yeah.
I decided I was too close to the ground for that crap, so around I went.
I told you every once in a while we were getting 1/4 in.
Yeah, that was one of them.
Yeah. That's why I was watching the windsock when we first got here.
Wow.
Oh, you're taxiing back. I want to. Yeah, you're quartering again. Almost straight across.
Yeah, look at that crap.
Yeah. Figured while you were taxiing back, I'd go look at the windsock. Yeah.
It was supposed to be,
Right down the runway.
yeah, later on, but you know, it was supposed to be east southeast. That's almost southwest by the looks.
No, west. Yeah.
Frick.
Well, west is behind us. So yeah, she's not as straight down the runway as they were predicting. It's a little quote unquote light and variable, dirty and nasty.
That wind blew me quite a ways down the road.
It did. Well, I was watching you on your last approach. It was blowing you towards the gravel.
That one wasn't too shabby.
No. But the wind was calm for the moment.
Oh, no way I can see that.
I'm at 8:11.
Are you really?
Yeah. And you were using quite a bit. I know that it can go 10 plus minutes, but you were using quite a bit of throttle into the wind.
My timer was still showing 1 minute and 22 seconds.
Well, downwind, you're not using hardly any at all throttle. Here comes a gust. I said here comes a gust.
Yeah, I had hard left rudder and it was still weather vaning.
Yeah.
Well, that's about all your nerves can take.
Yeah, I didn't hear it go off.
No, it's...
You going again? I guess so.
This could be the oh no, I shouldn't have.
Yeah, we suck. You can't get the red one anymore.
Okay, that was the one to end on. Right
Yeah, yeah. Call it at that. Don't get greedy.
Scout says, what is he going to do, run over me?
I know.
Hey, if you like that, click like. If you really like watching people fly in the gnarly wind, click subscribe. That would be great.
Thanks for watching, folks.
My elbow just snapped.